إن الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على خير خلق الله محمد بن عبد الله وعلى من اتبع هداه. ثم أما بعد, my dear respected brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome you back to my videos explain about my humble book الميسرة والتدرج. And Alhamdulillah, we managed to explain about the purpose behind it, and I'm just gonna go now and explain about what's inside this book and why we put everything together. Okay, the book is, I divide it on like 5 book in one. First, starter book. What is starter book? The starter book is explaining how to read and write the Arabic alphabet. The 28 letters have been right. Okay, each letter just one page. In one page, you will learn the letter, you write it with the harakat, short vowels, long vowels, and tanween. Okay, and you write it down and you read it, explain in Arabic and English. 28 letters, 28 pages, finish. No more complication. Okay, short vowels, long vowels, tanween. And then I put in it, okay, 2 script of Arabic writing. As we all know, Arabic has many scripts. Okay, how many script we have? As you know, we've heard about thuluth, diwani, Farsi. So many, the 7 8 of them, very famous one. Okay, but I will tell you, I just put a nasakh wa raqa, 2 handwriting. You just write step by step after the letters, and learn which letter should be on top of the line, which letter goes under the line, which letter the head being, it's been, we call in Arabic matmusa. Yeah, the head, you have to make dark the head, and some of the head letter, has, make a space inside. Explain all that and get familiar with the Arabic writing, especially the riq'a. And because most of Arab people, they write in riq'a because it's simple and fast and take less space. And as we all know, Arabic is about logic, common sense, and make life easy. So this first part was the starter book, starting how to write and read the simple alphabet. Second part is how to write probably the 2 script of Arabic. The third book is grammar book. We explain over 20 type of Arabic codes. How basically you actually explaining why we should use masculine, feminine, why we should use single, dual, and plural, why we should use how we should use the preposition, how should we use coordinating conjunction, how should we use all these simple easy codes being explained nicely in that book. And then after the grammar book, we go into vocabulary book. Vocabulary, we have over 2,600 vocabulary, following the English alphabet, alif, ba, a, b, c, and putting the words without tashkil, without harakat, without vowels, plain. We want you to read Arabic without, complication of get used to reading without tashkil. Okay, and we can see all the books, in Arabic books, if you read in Arabic, there's no tashkil. Okay, the only book is we have tashkil is the book of hadith and the book of sunnah, book of fiqh, and book of Quran Sharif. But normal books, very rare you find have tashkil. Okay, so we want you to get used to reading book without tashkil. So if you know that 2,000 vocabulary, and I just want to explain one thing. For example, I put one example in the book, the word kataba. Okay, how many words you can get from that kataba? Kitab. Kataba means write. Kitab, book. Maktabat is bookshop. you know, katib is a writer. So from that word you can have develop 20, 30 books from the word katib. Okay, so if you know 2000 words, definitely you will explain, you will have more vocabulary, and you will know more word in Arabic. Okay, and then the next step is how to translate English into Arabic. Okay, and make it very simple. Okay, we put all the sentence into two category. One, جملة اسمية, the sentence, normal sentence, and جملة فعلية, verbal sentence. And جملة اسمية, the normal sentence starts with the اسم, with the noun, and جملة فعلية starts with the verb. Very easy and has made simple. So when you say any sentence in Arabic, for example, you say heavy book. Okay, in Arabic we say book heavy, kitabun thaqilun. Okay, so this is another way of explaining in English. And going after the explaining sentence, then we're going into practice now more. We have book of kitab al-adhkar, book of dua and memorization, explaining how to do your adhkar, daily adhkar, from when the time you wake up until you go to sleep. Okay, and then we put a small surah of the Quran and the meaning of it, 10 surah, the last 10 surah, to make easy to memorize. Okay, and the meaning of it. And then few questions about fiqh question, very small, about, for example, what is najasa, what's impurity, what is the difference between sunnah and fard, optional prayer, compulsory, wudu, how to make wudu probably, without wasting water, how to make, salah, different between salah, all very, very easy, simple things every Muslim should know and should be aware of it. And all the references, alhamdulillah, from the muhaddithin, Imam Bukhari, Imam Muslim, and all the muhaddithin. And by the way, Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim and Imam Nasa'i, Ibn Dawood, all these, the muhaddithin, the top muhaddithin, like Imam Bukhari is the first, a person, accurate after the Quran Sharif. Okay, but he is from where? He's from Bukhara. He's not from Arabia. So just to show you, Arabic is not for Arabs. Arabic for everybody. Okay, and anybody wants to speak Arabic, he can be better than us, and he can be speaking better, and he can, utilize Arabic and get a higher level of education and knowledge. Okay. All I want to explain about this book, and please, 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 make dua for us, and make sure you are take advantage of our simple book, simple Arabic and gradual, and try to help us one way or the other, to make Arabic, to spread Arabic around and spread the knowledge of Deen, and inshallah, subhanahu wa ta'ala, will reward every sincere Muslim and Muslimah. And we all know Islam in the end is going to win, and Islam in the end is going to succeed. And without me, Islam can succeed. With everybody helping Islam, who doesn't help Islam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to succeed Islam. So might as well take advantage and be part of the success, and inshallah your reward will be high, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all our effort. جزاكم الله خير. سبحانك الله وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين.